Live report turning now to a story we first brought you yesterday out of Franklin County, where 8 motorcyclists were left seriously injured when a man crossed over the double yellow line and hit them on a road in Northfield. Western Mass News reporter Kristen Burnell joins us live with the latest on this story. Kristen?
Chris, the man who crashed into the motorcyclist has been identified as Ryan O'Farrell from Rhode Island and now faces multiple charges after veering into the oncoming lane on Route 10 in Northfield.
We had a really severe motor vehicle accident involving a car towing a trailer, careened into a pack of motorcycles.
A Rhode Island man is behind bars after crashing into 5 motorcyclists on Route 10 in Northfield on Sunday, leaving 8 people seriously injured and 2 in critical condition. This was the site when our Western Mass News crews arrived around 3 p.m. on Sunday. The Northfield fire chief tells us that crash happened in an area that's a popular driving site for motorcyclists.
It's a nice area for motorcycle riding. They were doing everything. They were obeying the speed limit. They were traveling as a group. Their destination, they are from Connecticut. Their destination was a small barbecue place up in Brattleboro, Vermont, which is 12 miles away.
Western Mass News has obtained a statement from the Northwestern District Attorney's office confirming the extent of the accident. They tell us in a part, quote, "The crash occurred around 1 p.m. in the area of 272 Main Street when Ryan O'Farrell, who was operating an SUV pulling a trailer carrying a motorcycle, crossed over the solid yellow double center lane when he struck the motorcyclist. The motorcyclists were part of a group of 9 from a Connecticut motorcycle club. 3 medical helicopters were also brought in to transport some of the injured victims. Police arrested 32-year-old O'Farrell of Westerly, Rhode Island on scene. He now faces the following charges: 7 counts of operating under the influence of drugs causing serious bodily injury, operating under the influence of drugs, 2 counts of child endangerment, negligent operation of a motor vehicle, unlicensed operation of a motor vehicle, operating an unregistered motor vehicle. The 2 children ages 11 and 12 in the vehicle were taken to the hospital, but appeared to be uninjured. O'Farrell was held on a $250,000 bail and will be arraigned in Greenfield District Court Tuesday morning. Coming up at 6 on Western Mass News, we hear from motorcycle riders from the Thompsonville and Chicopee Moose Lodges. These 2 have members recovering from injuries they sustained last month in a similar crash involving several motorcyclists and 1 car. Reporting live in studio, Kristen Burnell, Western Mass News.
Kristen, thank you.